Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the stand on the PlayStation 5 horizontally. So this is a stand here. It has two positions, that position for vertical and that position for horizontal. This kicks out and also it covers up the screw hole at the back here, which you can only see when it's in the vertical position. We now need to turn the console round until you get to the USB ports and the HDMI port at the back, and you will see that we have a load of PlayStation symbols just here. We need to install the stand on the two squares. If you have a look, you can see a square here and a square here. So we're going to be lining up the stand to cover both squares, just like that. And then just push it home in that way. So now you can see it's fully pushed home there, and that is it. It's in the middle of the console and it will be nice and stable now when you put it down horizontally. Thanks for watching.